Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on Citrix ADM Web Transaction Analytics. Citrix ADM is a solution which will help you orchestrate, manage, monitor, automate, and troubleshoot your entire global application delivery infrastructure from a single unified and centralized console. This solution also provides rich analytics for application health, performance, and security, and it simplifies application lifecycle management. Here is a quick overview on ADM Analytics offerings. Adding to this suite, we have our very new Web Transaction Analytics. What is Web Transaction Analytics and why would one need it? Let's look at this with the help of some use cases. You may have users complaining of application slowness issues, and in these scenarios, it becomes really important to figure out which part of the network is causing the issue. Is it the client side of the network, the server side of the network, or the application server itself, which is taking more time to process the request? With the help of Web Transaction Analytics, you can identify this and also understand which transactions are impacted due to the slow app performance issue and pinpoint to the application server which may be causing it. In some cases, you may have the forensics department asking you for timestamps of all the requests for specific clients. You can achieve this use case via Web Transaction Analytics reports. Now let's look at a scenario for an SSL handshake failure wherein you have enabled only TLS v1.2 on a vServer on the ADC and need to figure out why you're seeing handshake failures for this particular vServer. You can look at Web Transaction Analytics and understand that you had clients coming in with an older protocol version like TLS v1.0 and v1.1, which resulted in handshake failures. Web Transaction Analytics helps with these use cases and many more.
Now let's log into ADM and see the app dashboard. I select a particular application which has a low app score. I see the events which are highlighted due to low response time or due to server 5xx errors. Now either I navigate through this event or I click on the transaction log tab, which gives me details of transactions for this particular applications which either have server 5xx or low response time. The timeline gives me a split across different transactions coming at different times. If I expand a specific transaction, I get to see all the end-to-end details like client RTT, server RTT, server response time, what was the OS and browser used to access this particular application, what was the instance IP, and all the other details. The Web Transaction Analytics module has a really powerful search panel across which you can use any regex operation to narrow down your search and filter the exact set of transactions which you really want to drill down to. For example, here I'm searching across a particular application and the transactions which have response code greater than equal to 500. Now, another way to navigate here is to go through the app dashboard server 5xx event and get the transactions for this specific event occurred at that time. Thank you for watching this video. Do explore it and drop in your feedback. Thank you.